Hello children, welcome to Money's the Learning app. Today we are going to start the second chapter of economics, that is sectors of the Indian economy. Okay, first of all, let us discuss the title, sectors of the Indian economy. Sectors means parts, जिनमें हम similar type की activities को group कर सकते हैं. Okay, sector means the parts. And what is the meaning of economy? Economy means the system by which we get our living. What is the meaning of economy? Economy means the system by which we get our living. Alright? So, what are the different sectors of the Indian economy? Obviously, we are going to talk about the different occupations that people are engaged in. Or we can say that we are going to discuss the activities that are grouped as different sectors in our Indian economy. So, basically, we are going to study about the sectors in which people are carrying out different activity. हम देखते हैं ना हमारे आसपास लोग कितनी अलग-अलग तरीके की activities करते हैं to earn their living. Some people are doctor, engineer, businessman, okay, cobbler, barbers, etc. People are engaged in different types of activities. So, इन activities को किस तरीके से group किया जा सकता है, किस तरीके से sectors बनाए जा सकते हैं, यही हम इस chapter में पढ़ने वाले हैं. And first of all, I would like you to know that sectors can be classified into various categories on the three criteria, on the basis of three criteria. Okay, first is on the basis of activities performed. किस तरीके का काम किया जा रहा है, इसके basis पे primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay, second is on the basis of working conditions, कि लेबर के साथ, वर्कर के साथ किस तरीके की वर्किंग कंडीशन उन्हें मिल रही है. ओके, इन विच टाइप ऑफ वर्किंग कंडीशंस दे हैव टू वर्क, एंड उसके बेसिस पे वी कैन क्लासिफाई द सेक्टर्स एज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर. एंड द लास्ट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनरशिप. इट मींस हु ओन्स द एसेट्स एंड हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिलीवरी ऑफ सर्विसेज. उसके बेसिस पे हम कैसे क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं? We can classify the sectors on the basis of ownership as public sector and private sector. Okay? So first of all, we are going to read about primary, secondary and tertiary sector, and जिनको आप छोटी classes में भी पढ़कर आए हैं. See, first of all, what is the meaning of sector? Sector defines a large segment of the economy in which the businesses share the same or a related product or service. It means we can say that similar types of activities are grouped in a part and these are called sectors. Let us discuss primary, secondary and tertiary sector quickly. What is the primary sector? एक ऐसा sector जिसमें a sector in which we produce a good by exploiting natural resources. Okay? A sector in which all the activities are related to the extraction and use of natural resources. The raw material that is used is also a natural product, and the finished good that is manufactured is also a natural product. Okay, तो उसको हम कहेंगे primary sector. Example, farming, forestry, fishing, hunting, mining, etc. What are secondary and tertiary sector? We know that secondary sector means the sector which is involved in manufacturing of finished goods. What do you understand by manufacturing? We mean that conversion of raw material into finished goods. The finished goods that are manufactured in primary sector are used as a raw material in the secondary sector for creating more value added products. Okay? So different types of industries can come into it. So basically this is known as industrial sector. Okay? Tertiary sector. Tertiary sector involves the different kinds of services. For example, banking, okay, transportation, communication. There are some services that are directly related. कुछ ऐसी services हैं जो कि directly production से related हैं. Okay, whereas there are some services that are not directly related with the production activity. For example, teaching, okay, and the services of lawyer, doctor. So all these kinds of services that might help in that might help in the primary and secondary sector are called tertiary services. Okay, and as the sector is gradually related with a lot of services, that is why it is called service sector. So to know about the other topics in detail, keep watching our videos. Till then, take care. Thank you.